Looking for a way to get around without breaking a sweat? Here are the 5 best electric bikes I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. Priced at just $20.99, this compact air compressor caught my attention with its advanced sensor technology and ease of use. If you want a reliable tire inflator that fits in your bag and is perfect for emergencies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Astro AI L7 features an advanced true gauge screen that refreshes pressure data 200 times per second, ensuring you get accurate readings every time. Imagine knowing exactly how much air is in your tires without second-guessing yourself. Plus, it can inflate a standard tire in just 1.5 minutes, which is a huge time saver when you're in a hurry. With over 20,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among buyers. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as they hoped. Here's the thing though, if you charge it properly, it can refill up to 8 tires on a single charge. For casual users, that's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're a car enthusiast who enjoys road trips or simply wants a backup tool for emergencies. Skip this one if you need something for high volume or commercial use, as it's more tailored for personal needs. At its price point, it's hard to find a better value. Now, if that tire inflator's battery life concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with an even more impressive feature set. Product number 2, Bike Cover Waterproof Outdoor Storage. The Bike Cover Waterproof Outdoor Storage, retailing at $15.99, this cover immediately drew me in with its promise of protection against the elements. If you want to keep your bike safe from rain and UV rays, this is worth a serious look. The cover is designed to fit 1 to 3 bikes, making it incredibly versatile for different needs. It's made from durable 210D material, which offers excellent protection against wind, sun, and rain. Here's why this matters for you. If you leave your bike outside, you want it to last, and this cover helps prevent rust and fading. Plus, it's lightweight and comes with a storage back, making it easy to stow away when not in use. I did notice some users mention that it doesn't fit larger bikes as well as they'd hoped. However, it's essential to understand that for standard mountain or road bikes, it's a solid fit. Just check your bike dimensions before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with unpredictable weather and want to prolong your bike's lifespan. Skip this one if you have a particularly large bike, as it may not offer the best fit. For the price, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for protection. Product number 3, Westwood Fox Cycling Gloves. Our third pick is the Westwood Fox Cycling Gloves, priced at $14.95. These gloves caught my eye with their full finger design and touchscreen capability. If you want to ride comfortably while staying connected, this is worth a serious look. These gloves come with padded anti-slip grips, which is crucial for maintaining control on bumpy rides. They're also designed for both men and women, making them versatile for all cyclists. Here's the kicker. The touchscreen feature allows you to use your phone without taking off your gloves, which is super handy for navigation or music. With over 200 pairs sold recently, it's clear that they've resonated with users. However, some customers have pointed out that the sizing runs a bit small. Here's the thing though, it's essential to check their sizing chart before ordering. If you take the time to measure your hands, you'll find a great fit. This is perfect for you if you regularly bike in colder weather and need a glove that keeps you warm without sacrificing functionality. Skip these if you prefer short finger gloves or live in a milder climate. For the price, they offer great value for enhanced comfort. Now, if you're still on the hunt for something that adds a bit more exercise to your routine, this next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, Ancheer Underdesk Elliptical, which is available for $79.99. This caught my attention because it offers a way to stay active while working or watching TV. If you want to fit in some exercise without leaving your chair, this is worth a serious look. This machine comes fully assembled and features adjustable resistance, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity. That means you can start slow and gradually increase difficulty as you build your stamina. It's compact enough to slide under your desk, making it ideal for home offices or small spaces. The remote control is a nice touch too, letting you adjust settings without interrupting your flow. Some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, if you're using it in a quiet environment, it might be distracting. However, for most casual use cases, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you struggle to find time for workouts and want to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Skip this if you prefer high-intensity workouts. It's more suited for low-impact exercise. At this price, it's a great way to get moving without a gym membership. Now, if you're looking for something that provides exceptional durability for rough terrain, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, WeRock Electric Bike Tire. We have the WeRock 20-inch electric bike tire, priced at $53.99. This tire caught my eye due to its heavy-duty construction, perfect for those who tackle rugged trails. If you want to ensure your e-bike can handle any surface, this is worth a serious look. Designed for fat tire bikes, this tire offers enhanced traction and stability on snow and rough terrain. It comes in a 20 by 3.0 size, which is ideal for various electric bicycles and scooters. That means you can confidently ride through tough conditions without worrying about blowouts. With no reviews yet, it's still a new option on the market, but its design speaks to its potential. That said, some users might find the price on the higher side compared to standard tires. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about off-roading, investing in quality tires is critical for safety and performance. This is perfect for you if you love off-road cycling or live in an area with extreme weather conditions. Skip this one if you ride mainly on smooth city streets. It might be overkill for your needs. Considering how vital tires are for performance, the value is definitely here. So, we've covered 5 fantastic options today. The Astro AI L7 tire inflator offers emergency support, the bike cover keeps your bike safe, Westwood Fox cycling gloves provide comfort, Anshear's under-desk elliptical adds exercise to your day, and the WeRock bike tire ensures durability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Anshear under-desk elliptical because it creatively combines productivity with fitness. I recommend avoiding the WeRock tire if you primarily ride in urban areas, as it may not be the best fit.